Welcome back. I dare you.
Don't! Sorry.
I dare you. I dare you.
Are you
I
guys
would punch
BTS?
you.
What? Chai Funk?
Deep dip is crazy.
Sabi,
From Wesley?
I've never seen that TikTok.
What do you mean? You still haven't drinking it.
Can you please have one fix it?
Feel mine.
I know.
You said you wouldn't
One
even
sip and I'll
try
drink
it.
it.
This one's good.
Oh, bitch. You got my water.
This one's good. Savvy, did you not get food?
Was Jessica still there?
She's gone. She's been home. Why did I open my pictures? I wanted to show something.
That's old.
This is me shooting a gun. This is me fixing the bikes. Oh, this is me golfing. This is a really good video. I hit it super hard.
Wait, I need to do that again.
That's the best video ever. That's what also we're golfing for, Daniel.
What happened? Can you show the viewers? No, bitch! Why did you change it to the oriented?
No, that one is so much better.
This is a while ago. My form is way better.
Jake, what happened?
I'm going tomorrow.
What happened?
I missed the ball. I don't know what to tell you. Oh my gosh, this was right after
What after what?
the golfing video. And that.
Well, we haven't done this
My
in
dead dog.
forever.
Aww, Jake!
What else we got in here? I don't really take pictures like that. Casino? Money?
What's that? Why would you take a picture like that?
This is me flexing my broke ass friends.
The menu, you need to delete those.
My other dog? Oh yeah, dude. Top golf. It's a lot of nature. Oh my gosh. I almost made.
Finish the sentence, okay.
Yeah, it's just under random shit. Oh, casino? Big bucks?
That you made.
Maybe, yeah. 110 to 300. Me, volleyball? USA champions? By the way. Graduation. London and Paris. Eiffel Tower.
Aww, but you didn't know what an Eiffel Tower was.
Okay, I know what it was.
You wanted everyone stacked on top of each
He
other.
wanted a pyramid. A freaking pyramid.
This is my boy. Haircut mid-school day.
What? At school? I don't understand what you said.
Is that fire?
No.
This is my roommate.
That's Logan?
No. This is volleyball. Yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all my pictures.
How many pictures do you have total?
I don't know how to see.
Tells you right there on the corner. No, no.
900. You
That's
got a
it?
lot or a little? How little? By how much?
I have 6,800.
Wait, guys, I was gonna ask you what happened on Wednesday. When you guys called me, I wasn't paying attention anymore. My dog was in my bed.
Wednesday, like yesterday?
Yeah. You guys said it was such a horrible, awful show.
Is your airdrop on, you know?
I don't know. I don't know if I can get anything while I'm on this.
Somebody's Germany.
Oh, no, wait. Damn it, I want the gas. Wait, I want to keep this. Wait, what is this?
Do you know what country Germany's in?
Country?
Continent.
Continent?
Yeah.
Europe.
Do you know what country it's in?
Europe.
Country?
Germany is a country.
Yeah.
The fuck? Hello, fellow snackers. I'm Sophia from the Snack Crate. One thing I noticed right away when building this crate, Germany does not mess around when it comes to gummies. Soft ones and sour ones, foamy ones, chewy ones. They've applied the true science, whatever. Coolest gummies in the world. Some would even say the best.
Your bone?
I broke my arm here.
That's it?
It says don't
Where?
skip the peanut puffs. They're
Yes.
they're legendary.
What?
Listen to subject.
I can hear.
What did she just say?
That Germany is known for their gummies, so they're
Yeah.
And the peanut puffs. Don't skip the peanut puffs.
They're legendary. Can someone turn on the airdrop? Jake, turn on your airdrop.
What about airdrop?
Turn it on.
It is on. How do I do that?
Right, right.
Stop! I'm showing you. You dumb hoe.
Why do you do that?
Because he's dumb. You uncultured swine. Airdrop. You're so uncultured.
I'm Native American. Is you trying to say something? I'm racist? You're late.
No people found. There is no one nearby to share. Sandy, what are you doing?
What is it?
Just send it to me in the text. It's there. I know that you would never, so I would never flinch.
Really? We'll see about that. Remember this. Ew. Touch.
Wait, let's try. What's up first?
No, we have
Are
to
doing
read the
it?
book.
Are we doing it in order or are we just doing it?
I shall pick.
Remember last time you said I'll read it?
I do remember. Fine.
I'm reading it. We're doing it in
You
whatever
did.
order I want to.
That's Jake's snack.
Rost.
No?
That's Caitlin's snack.
Prost. That means cheers.
Wait!
Guten Appetit.
You feel your pulse.
Cafe Kuchen.
Listen.
Brezen. Gemru Chickakate. Are these snacks expired?
I don't know.
Okay, you guys ready?
Yeah, let's start going on.
No, we're doing it my way. Cruspers. Honey style.
Cruisebers, Hong and Sinef.
You gotta have a German accent. I can't find it.
Bonjour. Bonjour, Marie. Marie.
No, where's the trash bag at? Is it in there?
Oh, I bought trash bags in case you were gonna throw up.
I'm not gonna throw
Because you
up.
grossed me out.
I'm not even kidding, it's not in there. Sorry, did you see it? What's it called?
Kuchinahana.
What the fuck is that?
They're little teddy bears. Yeah.
Oh yeah, it is right here.
You idiot.
So they're pretzel bites. These crunchy pretzel nuggets are seasoned with the sweet honey and tangy mustard blend.
Oh, I hate mustard.
Should have said that. I knew it.
I mean, I like mustard, but
Giving a classic German pretzel a golden flavor.
I mean, mustard.
Wow, you like
Like,
it.
you drunk me like mustard.
Okay.
They're
Dude, just drink it. Not only drink.
There's nothing special
Oh.
about them.
You have to rate it. I'll go first.
7.
I was gonna say 5.
We've had worse.
Those are not good.
Never know.
Alright, ready?
I wouldn't buy these either, but. Going to.
Russian broth.
No, that's how you say it.
That's dangerous.
Rashish brot.
It says Russian bread. I was right.
Wait, Sabi. When I told Jake about Dana's thing right now, you know what he said to me? Dana's not my friend.
He's been saying that.
So why would I go?
He's been saying that.
I said that's not my place. I don't know dinner like that.
You guys bonded. You guys have a shared birthday.
What? She's on the 10th too?
No? July.
Different day, but July. We'll snowboard.
Oh, I forgot to say my Thomas.
These lightly sweet baked biscuits.
You want to
are
hear what
shaped like
Thomas
an
said
alphabet.
earlier? In Spanish. I heard him talking to Romero in Spanish. And he goes,
Romero speaks English.
well, I don't care. And he goes, so whatever, I heard him. And then later on in the slide, I'm like, you know Spanish? He goes, no. Was I talking Spanish with him? I was like, Ramiro. And he goes, no, he speaks perfect English. I'm like, yeah, whatever. And then he walks up to us and he goes, a Jake le gusta pito.
What does that mean? These are good. They're very sweet.
I don't like them.
7 or 8.
4.
No, there's no.
What do you say?
4.
What do you say about? I hear Jake.
Le gusta.
Le gusta. Pito.
He only knows all the bad stuff.
What does pito mean? I know what le gusta.
Use your imagination.
Look at me.
Thomas
If you-
said le
if
gusta
you-
pito.
If you
You.
said this was Russian bread, so what do you think
Okay.
pito is?
Penis. Le gusta. Le gusta. That means
I love it.
you. Who did he say it to?
You.
Me.
About you. I don't know who we said.
Well, remember when you turned and you're like, what did he say?
Yeah.
What's that?
Is it Jake le gusta pito?
Yeah. We like it.
Sabdi's future
Was he
baby.
wrong?
Sabdi's future baby daddy is gonna have a fight with Jake.
No, I don't want another baby daddy.
Anyone you're with is gonna be your baby daddy.
No.
You're eating those?
They're so good. This is disgusting.
Next.
This tastes like I went to Willy Wonka Chocolate Factory.
That is really good. It's very sweet.
Yeah, I prefer the Russian
Chip
bread.
refresh Uga Rush.
No, wait, is that a fish?
Where?
Oh,
It's
never
a flour, not a chili.
It's red bell pepper chips.
I thought it said chips fish. It says chips fish. Fish. Wait,
Oh,
what is it?
it's barbecue.
It's a red bell pepper chip.
Four. Three. I go to three.
Ew, what kind of flavor is this? 3.
6.
Ew, the aftertaste is so bad. Ew, this makes your like breath stink.
The can's gonna fall, you better catch it.
Oh, I don't like that one.
Can you roll down that window?
What's that was called?
I'm not gonna throw it at her.
Oh my gosh, do it on the other side.
No.
Better hurry up.
Daniel!
I see it.
Splash
It's
it
flirting.
on my fucking car.
It's flirting. Fuck. That's king side. Fucking free.
Okay, it's cheers. There's no alcohol.
Because Jake peed on it?
How does that make sense? just going in order. Knoops for panoofers.
Oh my god!
No.
I want that.
Okay, we'll get to it. Something you gotta tell the camera.
We'll be right back.
It's fruity